In the beginning, the earth was void and empty. A glowing light appeared, and waters separated from land. Mountains, rivers, and skies formed, and Adam, the first man, stood in awe at the miracle of life. In a perfect garden, Adam and Eve walked among trees and animals, marveling at God's creation. Eve reached for the fruit, and innocence was challenged, teaching humanity about choice and consequence. A great flood threatened the world, but Noah, guided by faith, built an ark. With his family and pairs of animals, he sailed through stormy waters. Moses led his people to freedom, parting the Red Sea with faith. Israelites walked on dry land, reminded that trust in God can overcome the impossible. Jesus, a young man of wisdom and compassion, taught love, humility, and forgiveness. He healed the sick, giving hope where there was darkness. He multiplied loaves and fishes, feeding thousands, showing that faith and generosity bring abundance. On the night before his trial, he shared a meal with his disciples, teaching love and sacrifice. Jesus carried his cross with calm strength and was crucified. Mary and his followers watched with sorrow and hope. Yet at dawn, the tomb was empty. Angels guided Mary and the disciples to witness the miracle: Jesus had risen. Joy, hope, and faith filled their hearts, and the story of salvation and divine love continued, reminding all that even after trials, light triumphs.